Florence and Pisa are on high alert as torrential rain lashes northern Italy, triggering floods, landslides, and emergency evacuations. The iconic Arno River is rising dangerously, and the city of Florence is bracing for the worst. But this isn't just a freak weather event. It's part of a disturbing pattern that's hitting Italy harder and more often. So, what's happening on the ground? And why are these floods becoming so devastating? Let's break it all down. Over the past 24 hours, relentless rainfall has battered parts of Tuscany and Emilia-Romagna, leading to widespread flooding and dangerous landslides. The Italian Civil Protection Department issued a red weather alert, the highest warning level, for cities including Florence and Pisa. In Florence, the Romaggio River overflowed, sending torrents of water rushing through the Sesto Fiorentino area on the city's northern outskirts. Emergency services have been working around the clock, with the National Fire Brigade receiving dozens of calls for assistance. In Pisa, flood barriers have been erected along the Arno River, which has already surpassed its first flood risk level. Local authorities are urging residents to remain indoors and avoid travel as roads have become impassable due to flooding and fallen trees. In Bologna, heavy rain triggered landslides and forced some residents to evacuate on Thursday night. In Badia Protaglia, a family of 4 was rescued after a landslide buried part of their home. Thankfully, no casualties have been reported so far, but the damage to infrastructure and homes is already mounting. Tuscany's president has placed local rescue and health services on high alert. Emergency responders have been working to clear blocked roads and assist stranded residents. Schools have been closed in over 60 municipalities in Tuscany, and several campuses of the University of Florence have shut down.
Questo è l'Arno sotto il Ponte Vecchio. E nella direzione opposta verso la foce.
On the roads, conditions remain treacherous. The A1 motorway, a major route connecting northern and southern Italy, was partially closed due to flooding and debris. In Florence, local authorities have advised against all non-essential travel, warning that more heavy rain is expected throughout the day. With red weather alerts still in place, Italy's Civil Protection Department is bracing for more heavy rain. Rivers in Emilia-Romagna remain swollen, and the threat of additional flooding and landslides looms large. The question now is not if Italy will face more extreme weather, but how often and how severe it will be. Is Italy prepared for this new reality, or are these floods just the beginning of a much larger crisis?
Ragazzi è venuto giù tutto qua, si è rotto il muro.